If you want to automate tasks and streamline your workflow, learning how to use Salesforce Flow is a game changer. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will understand how to create and use flows in Salesforce even if you have zero experience. Salesforce Flow allows you to automate business processes using a visual interface without needing to write code. To get started, log into your Salesforce account and go to the Setup menu. In the Quick Find search bar, type Flows and select the option. Then click on New Flow. You will see different types of flows such as Screen Flow, Record Triggered Flow, and Scheduled Flow. For beginners, a record triggered flow is a great place to start because it runs automatically when a record is created or updated. After selecting the flow type, you will enter the Flow Builder. This is a visual workspace where you create automation using elements and connectors. First, define the trigger by choosing the object, such as leads or opportunities, and specify when the flow should run. Next, add elements like get records, update records, or decision to control the logic of your flow. For example, you can create a flow that updates a field automatically when a certain condition is met. You can connect these elements using arrows to define the sequence of actions. This helps you design the entire process step by step. Make sure to configure each element carefully by setting the required conditions and values. Once your flow is ready, click Save, give it a meaningful name, and then click Activate. Activation is important because the flow will not run unless it is active. After activation, test your flow by creating or updating a record to ensure everything works correctly. As you get more comfortable, you can explore advanced features like adding user input screens, sending email alerts, or integrating with other processes. Salesforce Flow is powerful and flexible, allowing you to automate repetitive tasks and improve efficiency. In short, using Salesforce Flow involves selecting a flow type, building automation with elements, connecting them logically, and activating the flow to run automatically. Now that you know the basics, start building your own flows and simplify your daily tasks. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more quick tutorials.